I'm nervous. I got this lip gloss from my Allure beauty box, and out of all the things that was in it, this was the only one I was interested in. And it's from a brand called Pound Cake. And it's kind of pretty, and I don't know if it's gonna be matte or not, but I prefer matte. Excuse me. It's called Red Velvet, if you can't already tell. And it's kind of rough to open. It smells like cake. It smells like red velvet cake. I'm gonna try it on. I don't have a mirror, so. It's upside down. It's a little messy because I don't have lips. But it tastes like cake. Actually, the more I taste it, the more it kind of tastes like chemicals, but it also kind of it smells like red velvet cake, but it doesn't taste as good as it smells. But it's alright. I don't know if I would recommend it. Has anyone ever heard of pound cake? Because I haven't.
Just to put it.
That's it.